Everybody wants their house to feel like a home, myself included. Now, I've done a lot of work inside, but outside is looking pretty plain. From the front to the side, all the way to the backyard, there's really not much there. So I decided to come up with a plan. Now, the backyard really needs to feel like a living space, and out front, I want it to be inviting. So I came up with a plan for there as well. And once I put my mind to something, there's nothing left to do but get started. First off, I had to build a solid foundation, but then I wanted to make sure I brought in the right materials and the right people to bring it all together.
Well, in conjunction with developing a beautiful finished product that looks like natural wood, one of the things that we've tried to do is eliminate the need for screws. Okay. So we've developed a board with a groove in it, groove on groove, and a hidden fastener system that installs right over the joist, so that when the next board comes across, not only do you have beautiful tight automatic spacing, but you don't see the fasteners.
All of our structures, the pavilions, the pergolas, the gazebos, the cabanas, they're all as a do-it-yourself kit or as a professionally installed gazebo.
This is our new paver called a Melfi. It's a Generation 3 paver.
Okay, what does that mean?
Essentially, it's a 3D rendering of natural stone.
Wow.
As close as you can get to natural stone into precast concrete.
Everybody loves an outdoor space, so why not make it awesome like we did here? We've got this pergola, which defines a nice living space. We've got the inlay in the floor. We're gonna have a fireplace off that end. That's what I'm excited about. Now over here, we're making it dynamic again, because we got the pavilion. This defines the eating area. It's always nice to eat in a covered space. That's what we've done here. Outdoor kitchen will be on this side, gardens out there. Wait till you see the finished product.
Is a fiberglass reinforced concrete pre-scratch coated, which gives you that ability to put them together. You glue them, you bolt them, and you can create this any way you want.
It's great to have a big backyard, but if it's all just grass, you're cutting the lawn all day. So I transformed a big empty backyard into this outdoor living space. Now this is the focal point of the entire deck. It's been flanked with a couch and 2 love seats on one side, and bam, right at the end, this awesome outdoor fireplace, 2 wood boxes on either side. This is a wood-burning fireplace. How awesome is this gonna be? Nice cool nights, a glass of wine. You got the pergola up above, the fireplace in the back. Feels fantastic. Now, when it comes to outdoor spaces, you don't want to be maintaining your deck all summer. So that means cedar and pressure treated are out of the question. I went with a composite decking board. Looks almost just like wood, zero maintenance. Pergola and the gazebo are low maintenance as well. Now this is where we really get cooking. An outdoor dining space underneath a great gazebo. It can rain a little bit, gets cold at night, stays nice under here. And who doesn't like barbecuing? Outdoor kitchen, full grill to boot. It's gonna be a great summer.